He definitely is liking it.
Mm-hmm. It's recording now.
Oh, it's recording. Oh, okay.
Yep.
Oh, well, then I gotta...
You gotta do something.
Actually paddle.
Yeah, it looks better than without the board sticking out.
Okay, so I have a paddling rig here from Mark in California, and we've modified a little bit, and I've added a wheelchair backrest to get good support. And I'm in a Ocean Kayak Malibu 2, which you can see is pretty stable. And I can add outriggers if I should I choose. And I've also modified the hand grips, or the row rows, as they're called. Add an extra strap over my hands to keep my hands on the paddles. But if I want to, in emergency, I can pull them loose.
There he goes. Hey, you're riding pretty good in the water too.
Hello everyone, this is Mark Felling from Broadened Horizons. I'm just introducing the whole kayak paddle holder with the stabilized wheelchair backrest, and in this position we have it set up for two people to be able to kayak in tandem together, or this whole rig can be moved back to the center position of the Ocean Kayak Malibu 2 so that in the center position someone can kayak solo. And in this way, I'm a C4, C5 quadriplegic and able to kayak independently or in tandem with family or friends. Thanks. Okay, wait, you do it still? You gotta do a video.
Why don't you go over there?
I am.
Oh, please do a video. Which is easier?
Well, I say I put the string on you and just pull you.
You put the what?
I put the toe string on you and just pull you fast.
Oh.
Get you up on plane.
I want to go down by the path down there. And then don't worry about the actual wood piece. You know, you want the seam centered on the bolt underneath. Yeah, no, down even the bottom center bolt. Yeah, right. You know, centered on the arm. So it's kind of off center. Right. It should be kind of balanced. Mark Felling from Broadened Horizons. I'm out with Wilderness Inquiry on the Mississippi River. We're paddling down the river and about to go through the lock and dams right after lunch. So that should be a very interesting experience. You want to turn the camera around and say hi, guys.
Hi from Wilderness Inquiry.
Hello from Wilderness Inquiry. Good for you guys too. I think that's what most people don't even realize they can do it. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go?
We're going down to the far end, Bob.
You going all the way down to New Orleans? Just landed ashore here on the Mississippi to take a break for lunch, and so we're going to flip the paddle holder up out of the way here, and we've left the comfort carrier in place around me while I was kayaking, so we're all ready to go to transfer back up to the wheelchair up on the beach. And we put it up on top so that we don't have to struggle getting the wheelchair through all the sand and stuff. It's much easier to the beach, as you will see. So, and here to help us is we've got a number of folks from Wilderness Inquiry here in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Anybody want to say?
I'm Scott.
I'm Paul. Derek.
I'm Jenna.
So we're going to actually use 3 people to lift me. I'm a pretty big guy, 250 pounds and 5'11". One person on each hip, helping with the torso, and one person on the knees. Because it's a little cumbersome, we have to step over the kayak. So, but otherwise, a lot of times 2 strong individuals can do it by themselves also. Giddy up. 1, 2, 3.
I love these handles.
All right, now I'd say go backwards up the beach. Obviously, I'm sitting secure. Even if somebody lost a hand grip, I'm not falling. I'm going to get eased down to the sand. Okay, and now my butt is a little crooked and I'm going to tip over. So you need to straighten me out. And one of the things that Comfort Care helps with is by grabbing that hip handle, just lift up on it and we'll scoot my butt over this way. The lower hip handle. There you go. Let's do that a little bit more.
Good job, Paul.
Back here. Or just grab both shoulder handles too. That works also. Somebody goes straight behind me. And throw the feet up on the foot plank, please. So a very common thing is you end up sitting very slouched or crooked like that, or if you're in an aircraft seat, same thing. So you need to be able to shift your hips and get scooted back all the way. So what we're going to do right now, if one of you guys could go behind me, push me so I'm leaning forward a little bit, grab those shoulder handles, or even the lower hip handles if you reach them, whatever's easier, and just lift up, just lift up. There you go, you scooted me right back in the seat. Now I'm sitting good. 2, 3. Doesn't matter, when everybody starts lifting, that's when we go.
Once you hit 30 it's too much.
Even if you get less people, you can set me down, rest me at this point, reposition yourself, and then finish.
Because otherwise we'd have to fall 38 times. There's a waterfall just through our house.
I can see it. We got down. I can see it again. Yeah.
Yeah, but you can see us now and you see where we started.
550 feet above.
Right? We're changing not above the where we started.
Wow. You can't even tell. You can't even tell. It doesn't even feel. Oh, I can feel it. I can feel it. Look how much we went down. Yeah, I can feel it. You're like, stay still. Oh, I felt it.
We are at the bottom of St. Anthony Lock and Dams, #1 in Minneapolis. Behind us here is a good 25 feet of wall of water. Hopefully they don't open those doors.
Why are we moving? We're making traffic.
Here's the doors opening.
Alright, now we're gonna go.
You guys start by tipping my back up a little bit. There you go. Now come up with the butt. There. Now he's gonna be able to step across. Yep. So, two people are going up as well.
Oh, why is everybody crying?
All right, we're going this way, Derek.
Come my way, Derek. Try.
Yeah, maybe if we get one more person.
Yeah, my legs ain't going anywhere. You can set them down.
There you go.
Alrighty.
Now to save a little time, we're just going directly from the kayak into the van seat. Head back to my vehicle, I can drive home. But, so, if you're a quadriplegic, you're wondering if you can go canoeing or kayaking with Wilderness Inquiry, the world's wide open. You just gotta be brave enough to try.
There you go,
further.
into the darkness.
One more hike. There we go. Butts up. Tip my shoulders up. There we go. Rotate the legs in. And we've been using Broadened Horizons Comfort Carrier for all of these transfers. Helps you get on the airplane to get where you're going. Up or down steps when the elevator's broken. In or out of the vehicle that's otherwise inaccessible. And in and out of those boats, planes, trains, cruise ships, kayaks, and so on.
Kayak sin límite en Costa Brava. Nos acercamos junto al Cabo de Creus para visitar a unos buenos amigos. La empresa SK Kayak y su equipo están especializados en aventuras en kayak y turismo de aventura en general. Y además tienen un concepto muy interesante de lo que debe de ser un turismo inclusivo y para todos. Las instalaciones son accesibles con silla de ruedas. Andrea nos da un curso acelerado de seguridad.
El inteligente va adelante y el fuerte y valiente va detrás.
¡Nos vamos!
Con una silla anfibia nos aproximan hasta la orilla del mar. Nos colocaremos el chaleco salvavidas y a la piragua. El entorno es precioso.
Es un pueblo que sigue viviendo sobre todo de la pesca, sigue viviendo ahora también del turismo.
Nos podemos encontrar fauna marina muy suave.
Erizo de mar.
Sí, esto no es de
¡Qué rico!
Fantástica la experiencia con ese kayak. Viajeros sin límite.
El kayak, una actividad relajante y segura que nos permitirá conocer una zona tan interesante como el Cabo de Creus.
Fantástica la aventura.
¡Vamos a